How to fix you were kicked from this experience, Roblox. So I will be showing you methods on how to fix this problem. First, you have to go to the search bar and look for Windows Defender Firewall and then click this Allow an application or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. So what you're going to do here is to simply click this Change Settings and then tap this Allow another application. Okay. And then what you're going to do here is to click Browse since you can't find apps here. And then go to your local disk. Look for program file 86. And then look for Roblox. Go to versions, tap the very first one here. And then if you see Roblox Player Beta, you can tap that one. But as the moment, I'm going to tap this Roblox Player installer and then click Add. Now click Allow another apps again, click Browse and tap this Roblox Player Launcher, click Open. Okay, and then click Add. Okay, now tap OK. So that is the first method. The second is go to Google Web Browser if you're using this for playing Roblox. Go to History or go to Settings and then tap Clear Browsing Data. Now here what you're going to do is to tap Browsing History, Cookies, and Cached images and then tap Clear Data. You can choose time range if you want. Okay, so that is the second. The third method is you can just simply restart your computer. And then once you open your Roblox, I hope that after doing any of this method, it will somehow fix you were kicked from this experience. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.